Today we're testing out MAC's Lip Squirt Plumping Lip Gloss Sticks, right? Is that what they're called? The name is so long. Basically, it's a lip oil in stick form, which is so cool. They come in a bunch of different colors, but these two I figured were perfect for like the spring-summer transition. I learned right away that the trick to these is to not over-click. Once you click up, you can't click down, and you can see with this swatch, I over-clicked just a little bit, and it was a little bit too saturated, so 1 or 2 clicks is all you need. But you can definitely tell they are super soft and definitely like an oil consistency, but in stick form, and the color payoff is great. They also smell amazing, that like quintessential vanilla MAC scent. I could absolutely see myself reaching for these over and over again in those summer months, popping them in my purse. You don't need a lip liner or anything like that. They don't slide around your face or your lips. They stay put, and they add just that little bit of color. I loved this reddish orange. I thought I was gonna like the pink more, but I actually liked the red more. Thank you to MAC for sending these over so I could test them out.